Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add facial hair on Dress to Impress. So you don't need custom makeup for this. You actually need to go to this area. You're not going to go here. So you're going to just sit down, and under masculine, you'll see that you can add facial hair like these mustaches. They only have 3 for now, but hopefully in the future they will add more to the collection. I don't know. But you're just going to select the one you want, and as you can see, it's been added to your face like this. But that is pretty much it. You can also adjust it according to your face, I guess, using the toggles. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!